Welcome back to Bob Montego. If you're a Jamaican coming into the United States for economic reasons, Florida, living in Florida might not be the best choice. There's a huge contradiction with Florida. And when I say Florida, I am primarily referring to South Florida, more specifically, West Palm Beach. The big contradiction with West Palm Beach, South Florida, Florida in general, is that there is so much money here, but there is so little money here. That's a contradiction. Um, what I mean by that, there's so many rich people living here, but they're mostly expatriates, if you notice. From the north, from New York, New Jersey, Chicago, Boston, all those places up north. Like I myself, I moved from New York to West Palm Beach. Lots of money in that sense. But if you are a working class person, you're trying to get a career going and so, it might not be as good as, say, living up north. You can make a decent living still, but if you're an upwardly mobile person, you may not necessarily want to make Florida your first choice. Yes, it's warm. Yes, you can grow yam and banana and dasheen and mango and pear and isberry and all the different things. Yes, you can. You can grow those things. But the trade-off is, did I come here for that? Because I left that in Jamaica. You may be coming here. Well, naturally, you're coming here for economic reasons to make a big living. And then up north, where it's more cold and maybe less hospitable in terms of temperatures and so, you can make a better, stronger living just by picking that as your first choice. But I will not take this away from Florida. Very beautiful. It's in many sense of the word, it's like Jamaica. Just a little more cosmetically, beautiful, so to speak. But yes, it's a huge contradiction. You could come look at the nice lawns and the houses, and you could leave with a completely different impression that you are in heaven in some sense. But the trade-off is different. The lots of stuff I wouldn't even mention because I don't want the Floridians to tear me up when I say this. But yes, there is some real strong contradiction in terms of economics. All right. But yeah, today I'm in West Palm Beach, beautiful West Palm Beach. I should give you a panoramic view of where I'm at this park downtown. You can see it's very, very lovely. No doubt about that. Very, very lovely. There we go. But again, if you're coming for economic reasons, it might be a little bit more of a challenge than if you were up north in New York. But very beautiful and lots of things you can do. All right. Thanks for watching Bob Montego. If you have not yet done so, please like, share, subscribe, and tell someone about my videos. And big ups to myself. Today is my birthday. I'm hanging out by myself. Well, actually, I left the family. They're somewhere around, but I'm hanging by myself in the park right now, just trying to, appreciate the little things. As you grow older, the big things don't matter so much. It's just the little things that you pay attention to. And that's exactly what I'm doing. Thanks again for watching.